If you are planning on going full Irish this St. Patrick's Day, you might want to stock up on certain iconic Irish staples that will set the tone immediately. But what would it actually cost to buy these Irish essentials ahead of the patron saint day? To find out, the Irish Independent priced 10 quintessentially Irish items across major supermarkets, sportswear retailers and jewellery shops. Starting with a pint of Guinness, prices in pubs differ depending on which part of the country you decide to spend St. Patrick's Day in. But the average price of a pint of stout in a pub was up 25% to €6.18 across the country in February, according to the latest figures. However, if you opt for a Jameson whiskey, you will see a price tag of €22.09 for a 0.7-litre bottle. One of the most recognizable Irish products internationally, Kerrygold butter, has seen some price reductions across supermarkets in recent months. For a 454 grams version, you will currently pay €4.99, with most supermarkets listing it at this regular price and one retailer discounting it from €5.49. If you are looking for a snack for a larger group, a 12-pack of Tato cheese and onion crisps costs between €3 and €4.75. Based on the prices at the time of writing, you would need to spend a minimum of €125 to go full Irish on St. Patrick's Day this year. It comes as inflation figures for February showed that food prices on the supermarket shelves are continuing to rise.